store-bought cornbread mix is so forgiving.
Yeah.
As long as you pay attention to what it says on the box, you can actually add more stuff and it still turns out fine.
Awesome.
I'm talking, we've added sour cream and all kinds of other things. So in here, 2 boxes, okay? I'm going to add to that 2 eggs I whisk up.
Wow.
Gonna add some milk to that.
Just buy cornmeal.
I don't know.
What's the difference then? It doesn't have any leavening and nothing in there,
Yeah,
right?
there's gotta be some
There's
leavening
gotta be a
agent in
leavener
there.
in
Yeah,
it.
there's a
It's
leavening
like
agent,
puff up.
definitely. Some jalapeno right there. I put all the seeds, the pith, everything.
Look at you.
Canned chopped peaches.
Oh.
It's gonna taste good. And this one's gonna be like, chili lime seasoning.
Oh, man.
Goes really well with the jalapeno. So, I'm gonna whisk that all together, just like normal, wet and to dry. And again, super forgiving in that you can just kind of add this in,
Wow.
give it a nice stir. You can whisk it first or not.
And what are these? What are you
Release
making?
everything. I am making my easy peachy jalapeno cornbread.
Oh.
Easy peachy. And then the longer you let this sit, the more air bubbles start to distribute and it'll tighten up. So we're gonna pour this in to my buttered cornbread tin. You can do the like regular muffin size, or I got this cool one that I like to make little mini loaves with.
Oh,
right
that's
here.
fun. Look at that. It's in the shape of mini loaves, Jeffrey.
All right, so this is buttered up. 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. All right, so warm and fresh out of the oven right there. Look at them. Not done. So remember the canned peaches? I took the liqueur from that and put it into the pot right here. Yeah, so it's just that syrup. And then I'm gonna add in some butter. Usually at the end, we do like a butter and a honey glaze over the top. But this time, you know, why not some of that peach juice, some butter, a little bit of lime juice as well. And then I'm just gonna, pass me a spoon, I'm just gonna stir it around until it
Preference?
melts.
How about that red one?
That works. It's perfect for picnicking. And then see how quickly this comes together. And because we've got some sweet in the butter, a little pinch of salt never hurts. And then just move this around. Now I've got the clear container right here, perfect for packing. And it's ready to go. And then,
Oh, you're just gonna go right over top.
peach
Peach butter.
right over the top. Right when it's warm and it's ready to like soak it up.
Oh.
Do you know what I'm saying?
That ain't bad.
And they're like self-smeared, you know what I mean? You don't have to bring another ingredient like the butter or whatever.
Self-moisten. So I've got a few I made earlier on the back counter that have already been pre-soaked. Canned peaches. Peaches!
Oh, man.
Get your freestone peaches.
Spicy, sweet, buttery, crummy, in a good way.
Yes.
Not like, this is crummy. It's like crummy. It's got a great crumb to it. You know what I mean?
Yes.
And I'm glad you left the pith in the seeds in that jalapeno.
It's not gonna blow your lid off.
It's not blowing my lid off.
It kind of relaxes in the oven.